What is the big secret to pricing any house to sell faster and for the most money? The answer is coming up. If you're thinking about moving to the Florida Suncoast, Tampa, St. Pete Beach, Clearwater Beach, any areas around Tampa Bay, we can help. Subscribe to this channel. Call us anytime at 855-MR-BEACH. Now, about pricing any home to sell faster and at the best selling price. It's not complicated. Ever notice how some houses get snapped up right after they're listed for sale while others linger on the market for a while? Happens all the time. The difference can be as simple as nailing that asking price in the beginning. Here's why pricing it right matters every time. If your house is priced too high, you could deter buyers, and that means it may sit on the market longer. Then you may feel like you've got to do a price drop or two or three to get people interested again. And those price drops can be seen as a red flag for buyers. They want to know what's going on. On the flip side, if it's priced too low, of course, you leave money on the table, and that decreases your future buying power. Plus, buyers may see a lower than expected price and wonder, is there something wrong with the house? What does it need? The sweet spot, that's what we're looking for. Pricing it at market value. That helps your house get a whole lot more attention. More offers leads to a stronger offer and better chance of a fast sale. But finding the ideal price isn't easy. You need an agent who really understands the market. I have 5 videos on my pricing tools here on this channel. Check them out. We look at more than just a few home values. Do you know the difference in a Realtor value model, an automated value model, and the comparative market analysis? We also compare your house's condition, insurability. Those are big issues these days, especially around the beach. The absorption reports, we check those too. And a lot more to pinpoint that golden number for you. Ready to sell? Let's chat. And finally, everybody knows the 3 rules of real estate: location, location, location. We've added 3 rules of our own: honesty, integrity, and passion. We love the Florida Suncoast beaches. We've sold Hudson to Sarasota and everything in between. If you're thinking about moving or buying on the Suncoast, subscribe to this channel below, stay updated on the market, and of course, call us anytime with questions, whatever you need. 855-MR-BEACH. You can always see homes at MrBeachHouse.com.